Long handle provides extended reach and extra leverage. 90-tooth gear produces a working swing arc of just 4 degrees. Unlike conventional low-profile designs that focus on controlling only the thickness of the head, we reduced the size in every dimension: height, width, and length. Quick-release drive tang locks securely onto sockets so they won't accidentally fall off. Biased drive direction switch ensures the ratchet gear is engaged at all times, preventing slips or freewheeling. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome ratchet wrench. I've owned every brand of ratchet wrench over the years, and this ratchet is by far the best I've ever had the pleasure of owning. The feel of it, the weight of it, the 90-tooth gears, it's just absolutely perfection. I can't wait to purchase more of the Tekton product line.